We're going to move on. We've got Dixie, love that name, Dixie, calling us in Robinwood tonight. So, hey, Dixie, welcome in.
Hi, thank you. I have a friend who lived here, who moved down from Michigan.
Okay.
And he tried to get an Alabama state ID, but because he's an American Indian with papers from the federal government, his birth certificate and his social security number. The police in Tarrant know that he didn't have this information, and they would harass him about it. Let me see your ID. They knew he didn't have one. Why they won't issue him one, I don't know. But an indigent person who is squatting in the neighborhood went to attack his roommate, who was a woman, with a baseball bat. And he pushed the girl aside. He got 4 broken ribs for his trouble. He punched the guy in self-defense. They put him in the handcuffs and put him in the car, took him to jail. They charged him with assault in the 2nd degree. They'd been harassing him for quite some time about the ID. This guy was straight up.
So you want to know what his rights are?
Well, yeah, because when I talked to his lawyer's like, he hasn't even been indicted by the grand jury. And the guys who actually beat the other guy that did all the damage after he was taken to jail is also sitting in Jefferson County Jail.
Okay, all right. So where do you begin?
Well,
there's a lot of things going on in this situation.
And there often are, and that's very symptomatic of these situations. But what I would say is, he sounds like he has a lawyer, because my first thought when I was listening to what you were telling us was, well, he probably is going to need some legal counsel and someone to help him kind of bring to light these facts where he's been harassed in the past, and bring to light the fact that he was sounds like he's being profiled. And so, he's got a lawyer, and I would say defer to what his counsel thinks he needs to do in that situation.